So I decided to do my quiz on Ray Kurzweil's law of accelerating returns. The first question is, what is Ray Kurzweil most known for? And we have developing Microsoft, creating text-to-voice computer speaking software, or founding PayPal. And that's an image of Ray Kurzweil. And he was most famous for, the answer is B, creating text-to-voice computer speaking software. The next question is, Ray Kurzweil is accredited for the law of accelerating returns. What does this law state? And options are A, the speed and capability of computers can be expected to double every 2 years as a result of increases in the number of transistors a microchip can contain. B, fundamental measures of information technology follow predictable and exponential trajectories. Or C, quantum computers are gaining computational power at a doubly exponential rate. And the answer for this question is B. A is actually Moore's law, and C is a different type of computer law, so B is the only correct answer for this one. The next question says, Kurzweil is often called a futurist. What did he predict would happen in the 21st century? And a futurist is kind of just someone who can state like what they think would happen in the future, and it comes true. So the first question is A, he predicted COVID would occur. B, that Apple would come up with a new device. Or C, that blind people would be able to read. And the answer to this one is C, blind people would be able to read. Ray Kurzweil came up with the text-to-voice speech option, and this allows books and other like words on like a tablet or whatever to be read back to you, so those who can't see the words can just hear them. The next question is, what marked the beginning of Kurzweil's computer technology career? And A, it says he earned the first place in the International Science Fair with a computer program he developed. B, he established Kurzweil Computer Products Incorporated. Or C, he had a close friendship with music artist Stevie Wonder. And the answer is A. Although all of these are true, what marked the beginning of his career is earning that first prize in the International Science Fair. It really just sparked something, and he knew that he wanted to do something with technology after winning. The last question, I believe, says that Kurzweil's law builds off of Moore's law. What is one of the major differences between the two laws? And the first option is A, there is more to the speed of change beyond that of a computer chip's evolution. B, Moore's law is more advanced than Kurzweil's law. Or C, Moore's law no longer applies to modern technology. And the answer to this one is A. Moore's law is not necessarily more advanced than Kurzweil's law. In fact, it would probably be seen as the other way around. And a lot of people believe that Moore's law may no longer be the same in like 50 years or so, but Moore's law as of now is still applicable to modern technology. So A is the correct answer. And that's the end of it.